Let's learn how to divide the number 850 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 8. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 3. Now 3 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this number 5 here. And we know that 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, we get a 0. Again this 0 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. But see that this is the number 0. So we will remove 1 0. And we know that 5 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 850 divided by 5 is equal to 170. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.